Hi, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I do anything Disney. And we are gonna show you the two main stores on Disney Wish. You have Mickey's main sale and Whitecaps. So yeah, let's hear all about it. So you have luggage in case you buy too many souvenirs. I don't really like the ears. I know I like that it's a cruise, but I don't know, you guys. I'm very picky with ears. They make my head hurt. That's cute. Huey Louie Dewey Patooey. I'm assuming 70. Oh, it doesn't have a price.
They all don't have a price.
Oh.
SVP.
There's not that many left. Should I get one? Let's see what else there is, yeah? Mugs. Are we getting a magnet for Grandma? There's more spare jerseys. Can you turn that one around? Disney Cruise Line. And then this is what this one looks like. I kind of like this one. It makes me think of fall. But if they have a sweatshirt, I'd rather do a sweatshirt. So let's keep looking. There's some t-shirts with Donald. Oh, Ariel from in front of Trident. How much is she?
She's like Tinkerbell, she's like Ariel.
45. I agree, actually. And then make some waves. Tank top. Decals for your car. Oh, a magnet. Get one for your grandma. Yeah. Or the Wonder. Very cute. See, I would like this in a sweatshirt. Shorts. And then perfume, in case you forget your own. I don't know if it's duty free though. Questions. You think it's duty free?
No.
Since you're in the sea? No? Interesting. Maybe depending on when you buy it. Like if you're right on top of the Mexican Riviera. That's nice. 60? It's like a beach. Shorts.
Like it.
Hat. The hat's kind of cool too. If I don't do ears, maybe a hat is subtle.
Why did I say use the street cruise?
Disney Cruise Line. $30. Little beach dress. Yeah, purses. $12.99. $99.99. Ooh, bottle opener is cool. We can get this for our house. I mean, we have a couple already. And then more colognes. Oh, what's that? Oh, for your wine? Very nice. I seen on Shark Tank. It has to be the Shark Tank one. I'm pretty sure she had a patent for it. Unless it didn't go through or it ended. I have a bunch of jewelry boxes. Oh, I love this one. I think it's a necklace. Oh, is it this one? No, it's different. Can you take it out? Not take it out, but it's like stuck. And I want to see what it looks like. There's this one too. It looks kind of nice. I love Disney jewelry. If it's like subtle. It can't be like, boom, I'm in your face. What'd you think? Dooney and Burke. Yeah. I don't really like Dooney and Burke. Maybe when I'm older. No offense. More. This one's not bad though. I take it back. I like one. Main sale. This is more like the Disney store, I want to say. The Monster Mash jewelry. Oh, you say? They have sale items, B. And you put an ornament there, and then that's how you leave it. Do you like it? Villain starter packs. I wanted to know if they did pin trading. We should check actually. Because I bought our pins. Oh, this one's nice. Wow. Let's see, there's a better one. Oh, sorry. Kingdom of Kill. There's origami. Let's see, Star Wars. Just starter packs, nothing too crazy. You have hats. Disney Cruise. This is kind of cool. Special ears. Again, I'm not an ear person. Patches? Yeah, what is it called? Keychains? Oh, do not like that. What do you think? For parents?
Yeah, this one.
You like all the characters? It's a lot. What else is there? Magnets. Ah, too fast. Ugh. Oh, God, so dizzy. Ooh. We can get this one. Straight to the point. Brendan does not like any of it. There is a sweatshirt, but don't like it as much. More keychains. Let's see what's over here. It's busy right now. Maybe I'll come back later and do more in depth for you guys. They have a lot of dresses. 128, the shop dress. They have Sailor Mickey and Minnie kissing, sailor dress. And then these two, animator one, and then another like cruise one. Alright, you guys, they have wishables.
You get a Mickey.
I do like Mickey, but I really want, let me show you guys.
That's gonna be a squeezy one though.
I'm okay with, I really want Donald. I'm okay with Goofy, I guess. I'm okay with Pluto. I just don't want Daisy. There's Minnie and then there's Mickey. They're $10 just like, you know, at the parks. Presse-moi. So, spoiler alert, I did not get the wishable I wanted. This is why I don't do wishables or mystery pins. I hope you guys liked the quick tour. It was very busy, but it was always very busy no matter what time I went. And they did have shortened hours, so it's not like I could have gone really early or really late. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and then comment any questions that you may have about the store or about duty free or anything like that. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see all of our videos from the Disney Wonder Cruise and other videos from our Disney adventures. And until next time, adios.